Okay, welcome back to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. Today we're doing steak. As you can see, we will do a steak over a cucumber salad, and this is excellent. This is a ribeye right here. It's a New Zealand ribeye, so let's give it a try. Okay, so I can't finish everything today, so I'll remove a small piece today and then we'll save the rest for another episode because I have a lot coming up for you. Now let's get a nice thick piece. This is a nice, handsome 2-inch slice. Okay, so we'll cook that today and then we'll put these aside for another day. Okay, the ribeye is ready. Now it's sliced. Look at this. It is looking very beautiful. Now let's season this with some rosemary on both sides. Yes. And we have some sea salt, just a little on both sides, and some fresh grounded pepper. Yes, on the other side also. Good, now that's done. Now I like to take some butter and spread it over the top. Yes. And this adds a lot of flavor and depth to this. So we take some more, then we save the rest for cooking. Now that's done, we put that aside. So we have some garlic, we just simply crush it and then we'll use this as basting for our steak. Our skillet is nice and warm. Now we add some coconut oil. I like to use coconut oil because it has a nice flavor. Now, you can hear the sizzling right now. Now, you'll be tempted to flip it, but don't. Let it sear on one side for at least 2 minutes. Then we'll flip it to the other side and then you see a nice browning. Then we can add our butter and garlic to it. Now let's give this a flip. Oh, look at the beautiful searing of that. Now we can add the garlic and the butter. So we just drizzle the garlic oil and butter over this. This will be beautiful. You'll keep the steak nice and moist while it's cooking. Steak is starting to firm up, so it's about right because we're looking for a medium rare. So it's time to turn off the heat now. Our steak is ready. It's looking beautiful. As you can see, it's sitting right here. So while we're giving it about 10 minutes to rest, we will start our salad. So I'll put that aside. I got a cucumber. So we're gonna do a cucumber salad today. So we're just simply gonna peel and remove the skin that we don't want. Now we remove the ends. Now, this is the Japanese cucumber that I'm using. It's a lot tinier and thinner compared to the regular ones, but this is a lot sweeter. So this is very nice if you can find it in your local grocery store. Give this a slice. Now we simply get a tiny spoon, a teaspoon of any sort. We scrape out the seeds. Now pass the potato peeler over the top and get some very thin slices out of this. As you can see, they're almost like noodle thin. Now it's all peeled. As you can see, it's beautiful and it's stringy like it's noodle. We add some sea salt, some balsamic vinaigrette, extra virgin olive oil, fresh grounded black pepper. Now we give this a mix. With all the ingredients that everyone has at home, this is just absolutely amazing. Now let me give this a try. Now let's give this a cut. So we're looking for medium rare. Let's take a look. Oh, how beautiful. Take a look at this. The juice is just coming off the steak as I press. Now this is good looking. We put some of the cucumber salad at the bottom and our steak over the top. Our juice, don't forget our juice also. Ooh. Now that go over our steak. Okay, everything is plated now. Now let's give it a try. Look, it's so beautiful. Now let me get my knife and fork. Let's give this a cut. Look at this. The juice is just amazing. You know, ribeye is my favorite. Has so much flavor. Now let's try our salad also. Wow. Can't have enough of this. Let me have another piece of this. Wow. That's a very thick cut. I just have no problem chewing through this. The garlic. Oh, let's try some of that. The garlic with the butter, the steak is just amazing. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this while you subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, remember to hit the bell button. So if you have any suggestions for our future episodes, remember to comment below and let us know what you'd like to see. Until next time, bye now.